So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to italicize text here in Google Slides. The first thing you have to do once Google Slides is open is add some text to your design or to your document. So we're just going to go to the top right here and press on the plus icon. Then we're going to go ahead to where it says text right here and press on text. And we're just going to go ahead and type in the word italic right there. Now it's pretty straightforward. What you can do is while this is screens up in front of you, actually at the top bar right here between right above where the letters are, there's actually a B, an I, a U, and an A. Go ahead and press on the I that is sort of slanted. That would mean italicize. So that'll go ahead and italicize the text right there. So what we can do as well, if that didn't work, you can just hold it down, go to the top right here, press on the A with the line below it, and you can go ahead to where it says italicize right here, and you can italic right there. I'll just make it a little bit larger so it's a little easier to see. There you go. So as you can tell, it's now italicized. If you press it again, it undoes it. So just pretty simple. Press the I, and there you go. That's how you guys can italicize text here in Google Slides. Pretty straightforward. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.